Manipur da C-section Touduna Angang Unabadi Chang akiba fongdokkhre adubu Houjik Khara Hantharakle henna hantha-naba leinaba punna hotnarasi haina Health Minister Dr. Ranjan fongdokkhre ngasi National Health Mission NHM Manipuri State Health Society SSS ki manung chana Maternal Health Division amadi Directorate of Health Services Manipur ga khutchamnana Chingmairong da laiba Classic Grande ge Imperial Hall da pangthokiba Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matridva Abhiyan PMSMA amadi atai maternal health program singda achawa thawai lokhiba miyoi apunba team amadi state amadi district level da lairiba health service provider singga khutchinnagadaba I pledge for 9 haina mingthonba award yenthokpagi thoramda saruk yaduna minister na wafam asi fongdokhibani thoram adu the health minister Dr. S. Ranjan health and family welfare ge special Secretary Hungyo Worsing, Health Service ki Director Dr. O. Sana Hanbi Amadi, Atay Masak Naiba Miyoy Kayana Thorange Maruiba, Mitunglen Singuin Sarukyaki. Maternal Health ka Mari Leinaba poster Amadi Maternal Health ki Matangda, Putokpa documentary ahumsu launch Tokiba Thoram Aduda, Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Haikibada, Manipur da matam kharagi mamangda Angang Unabadi matamda operation Touduna Angang Chang asi Chada marfumanga Europagi matam amalaki masimag lamda masigi oina afaba khudam nataba amadi maduna society da kaiba kaya lakadaba ubadagi paliba lengak asina mari leinaba department singa khuchamnaduna honarakpana ngasidi Angang Unabada operation tawbagi chang khara makhai hanthanba ngamle adubu hanthare hairiba asisu adumak wangna leiribani lam masida leiriba gaini gi doctor singdagi hauraga khudingmakna punna honaduna kharaga henna hantha-naba mathau tarakle masi honabada lam masida thabak tawriba khudingmakna pukjel sengna amadi thawai henna yaushina thabak punna tawminaba mathau tai haiki ngasigi thoram aduda district health center singi marakta khwaidagi thabak ningthina tawba center sing khangatuna mana mathum sing yenthoki amadi lanai oina leiriba doctor nurse pharmacist na singba singdasu tongan mana mathum kaya yenthokuna ikai khumnaba utkhi
gynecologist senior gynecologist of the state got boxing one of our main worry which I was flagged by the SNO was the percentage of cesarean section. This was a concern for all of us because in some places was very high, reaching 85% Youramle. So we requested all the gynecologists from the Foxy. We had a meeting, and senior gynecologists of the state. We took their views. Why is this cesarean section very high?
Handaki sahi ama khai da koi ta sena ga di koi sidaga gumal lampak to the koi pregnant relief camps labor pregnant around 100 plus in a delivery program with a success rate very high. Doctors, volunteer doctors, I think donors, I think we from the health department really acknowledge the help that has been rendered to us. It's through this teamwork, it's through this commitment and through this coordination that we can all healthcare systems. Hankana bidamukta yamna kanai hadana ilozige